This is the FloorWasher FlashDry 6 series, a 3-in-1 machine that mops, vacuums, and cleans itself. It's also the first Tineco floor washer featuring FlashDry technology, which completely dries the brush and main body in under 5 minutes. Your product comes with microfiber brush rollers designed to tackle a variety of hard floor surfaces for a deep clean. Additionally, the FloorWasher FlashDry 6 comes with a bottle of Tineco cleaning solution formulated to make your floors look and feel clean. Now, pour a capful of the cleaning solution into the clean water tank. In auto mode, the advanced iLoop Sense technology detects messes and adjusts suction and water flow accordingly. This ensures the machine only uses the power it needs, giving you up to 35 minutes of cleaning time. Here's the iLoop display showing you real-time cleaning status and battery life. Red means debris is detected, while blue means the mess is cleared. On the FloorWasher FlashDry 6 series, you can select between auto mode, max mode for full power, or suction mode, designed to pick up wet spills without putting down clean water. The FloorWasher FlashDry 6 features dual edge cleaning technology, allowing you to clean right up to the baseboards like this. And once you're done, place the machine on the charging station and push the self-clean button. In just under 2 minutes, the inner tubes and brush roller are cleaned. But what makes this unit stand out is the FlashDry technology. It allows the FloorWasher FlashDry 6 to wash, dry, and charge all at once. The heated drying system uses 158-degree hot air to dry the brush and prevent bacteria growth. You can choose between a 2-minute quick hot water wash or a 5-minute complete wash and dry cycle for total convenience. Now that the self-clean and self-dry cycle is complete, remove the dirty water tank like this. Then dump the dirty water. A quick rinse and it's ready for when you need it next. To prevent unwanted odors or blockages, we have a few steps to effectively maintain your wet-dry vacuum. First step, remove the filter from the dirty water tank. Wash with soap and water and dry on dock. Replace filters every 6 months with a new filter. Second step is to clear any debris that's been left behind. Use the cleaning tool provided. Make sure to brush inside the tubes and pull out any debris picked up. To clear debris behind the brush, simply remove the cover like this and take the roller out. Using the cleaning tool, make sure to clean this area behind the brush. And the last step is to wash the roller with soap and water. Place on the dock to dry and replace rollers every 6 to 8 months depending on use. When the roller is dry, simply reinstall the brush. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to our customer support team on our website.